Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be looking at the matte slide toggle, and this one's going to be a real quick video because there's not much you can do with it. Alright, first off, if you don't know how to set up your own site in Angular Material, be sure to check out my tutorial on Angular Material Basics. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get this first example working on our own blank site. So I'm going to copy the HTML here, and then go and paste it into my own HTML file. Alright, and then all this is just a matte slide toggle, and then the text in here is the label, and then it just closes the matte slide toggle. Okay, and in order for that to work, we need to go into our imports section and import matte slide toggle module. Okay, and also make sure you have the browser animations module. As well as in the docs it says that this click and drag action only works if you have Hammer.js loaded on the page, which means that when you are setting up your Angular Material page by following the Get Started guide, hopefully, you should have done this step on Hammer.js. If not, you can just do it now. So you just run npm install --save Hammer.js, and you import Hammer.js in your source main ts. Okay, so do that and you should be good if you want the click and drag. Otherwise, you can just click and then it will toggle. So that'll work just fine. So with our matte slide toggle module imported and our browser animations module imported, we should be good to go on our own blank site. So it's refreshed now, and there it is. We can click this, and I have installed the Hammer.js, so I can click and drag it as well. Let's make it slightly more interesting in our example and bind the value of the slide toggle to a variable. So I'm going to do that using ngModel. Okay, so that's going to synchronize the variable of the slide toggle to a variable called myModel, which I'm then going to display here, myModel. And then we need to declare that variable in the TypeScript file. So I'm going to set myModel equal to false by default. Okay, so back on the page, we have this template parser, can't bind to ngModel. And that's because we need to import the forms module. So in our module ts, I'm going to import forms module. And that's just from Angular forms. Okay, and with that, the binding should work now. Alright, and there it is. It says false, and then when we click it, it says true. So now we've bound a variable to the state of the toggle. Alright, there isn't much else on the docs here. It's pretty simple element. Maybe two interesting things are you can use this with Angular Forms. So I have a tutorial on how to use Angular Forms, so be sure to check that out if you're unsure of how to do so. And then you can use theming as well. I've also done a video on Angular custom theming, which is actually my most popular video, so you should check that one out. It's a good one. But basically, if we want to change the theme of this particular element, we can just say color equals, what is it right now? It's pink, so that means it's the accent right now, so I'm going to set it equal to the primary. Okay, and where I'm getting these accent and primary from, there are only three of them. There's accent, primary, and warning. Okay, and then it's pulling those colors from the styles.css, where it's just importing the pre-built indigo pink theme. Okay, but if you want to define your own again, you should check out that tutorial I was talking about. Okay, so it used to be pink before, but we set it to primary, which is blue, so now it's blue. Okay. Alright, and that's it for slide toggles, you guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this video in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.